Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study SAT from Khan Academy. Start by creating your free Khan Academy account. This gives you access to a wealth of SAT preparation materials. Next, link your College Board account. This is a crucial step as it allows Khan Academy to tailor practice exercises specifically for you, based on your SAT or previous SAT scores. Finally, take a diagnostic test to pinpoint areas where you need the most improvement, setting a clear path for your study journey. Once your account is set up, dive into the personalized practice. Khan Academy provides thousands of practice questions, all aligned with the official SAT. Concentrate on the areas where your diagnostic test showed weaknesses. Use the comprehensive video lessons and articles to deepen your understanding of challenging concepts. Consistent, focused practice, even for just 30 minutes a day, will significantly improve your skills across all sections. As you progress, it's essential to take full-length practice tests. Khan Academy offers several official SAT practice tests. Simulate test day conditions by timing yourself and minimizing distractions. After each test, thoroughly review every single question. Understanding why you got a question wrong, or even why you got a question right, is vital for improvement. This analysis helps you refine your study strategy. In the final weeks, focus on reviewing challenging topics and solidifying your knowledge. Practice pacing yourself with timed sections to ensure you can complete each part of the exam efficiently. Remember, the SAT is a marathon, not a sprint. On test day, ensure you get a good night's sleep, eat a healthy breakfast, and arrive at the test center with a positive and confident attitude. You've prepared well.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.